ZANU-PF supporters in Mwenezi reportedly attacked a local resident after he expressed support for opposition activist Blessed Geza, highlighting the ongoing climate of politically motivated violence in Masvingo province. Salamina mashoko buda panguva inonyogwa chinzi ZANU-PF supporters bash Mwenezi men for sympathizing with Blessed Geza. And don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamobwa chinzi. According to the Zimbabwe Peace Project ZPP October 2025 report, Masvingo reported 3 major human rights violations in Gutu and Mwenezi districts, including forced displacement, harassment, and physical assault. In Mwenezi Ward 4, a male resident was accused of organizing 1 million men march on 17 October and was assaulted by ZANU-PF supporters, sustaining injuries, illustrating politically motivated violence and the suppression of the civic participation, the report states. The ZPP report also documented other violations across the province. In Gutu Ward 6, a woman living with a disability was forcibly removed from her land by a traditional leader, exposing the vulnerabilities of marginalized residents. Additionally, in Gutu Ward 24, nurses at a medical facility were harassed and intimidated for accepting donated blankets without ZANU-PF approval, demonstrating interference in professional and humanitarian activities. And the report notes that such violations affected a total of 2.531 individuals across Masvingo in October alone, including 1.360 women and 1.171 men. Among them, 58 women and 51 men were persons with disabilities. In October 2025, ZPP documented a total of 116 human rights violations across the country, affecting 2.531 individuals, reads part of the report. The violations recorded included gross abuses such as forced displacement, hate-motivated violence, threats, and physical assault. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino atiri kuona kuti aiwa zviitiko zviri kuitika panguva ino izvi, especially nhau yokuonekwa kunze aiwa ejasisapota panguva ino akangosympathize naBlessed Geza anobva asaitawo zvakanaka nemaZANU-PF members. Ina comment section medu nze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.